Welcome, today we're going to show you how to start live translation on AirPods. First thing that you need to know before starting is that you need to update your AirPods to the latest version using the settings on iPhone. Also, you need to make sure that you have AirPods Pro 2 or later. So, the next thing that you need to do is to have the translation app. I'll see from here. You need to go to the live section on the down right corner. After that, you need to click on Setup Live Translation. After that, you need to choose the language that you need to transfer from and the language that you need to translate to. So, choose the languages. After that, you need to click on the two icon on the top right. And from here, you need to click on Start Translation so the live translation will start. So now you can talk and do whatever you want, and the language will be translated automatically to your AirPods. So that's it. It's actually very easy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.